Welcome back to Drumming with Josh. I'm still Josh, and in this video we're looking at 3 basic drum grips. The German grip, the French grip, and the American grip. Understanding these 3 grips will improve control and stamina. It'll also help you to avoid injury in the long run. Now the term grip is a bit of a misnomer as it doesn't actually involve how one grips a stick. Instead, think of these more as different ways you can safely move your wrist and forearm. To learn more about how to hold a stick, check out the link above. All right, let's break them down starting with the German grip. In German grip, your hands will be parallel to the playing surface. All of the motion is primarily in bending at the wrist. Let's explore this motion. First, bring your palms together, pointing your fingertips to the ceiling. Now slowly face your palms out in front. We're going to slowly bring our fingers down to flat and back up towards the ceiling. From up here to flat and back again. Now curl your fingers in, same motion, down and back up. Now think of yourself as politely knocking on someone's desk. This knocking motion is essentially German grip. This is what it looks like with sticks. Now French grip takes things in a slightly different direction. Rather than bending at your wrist, you rotate through your forearm. Think jazz hands. Let's explore this motion. Bring your palms together, pointing your fingertips to the ceiling. Now slowly rotate your hands so that your fingers are pointing in front of you. And then continue back on up to the ceiling. Point your fingers away from you and point your fingers back up to the ceiling. Now we're going to curl our fingertips into a loose fist. We're going to do the same thing. Rotating your fingers away from you and back up towards the ceiling. And away and back up to the ceiling. Now we're going to pull our hands apart. We're going to do the same motion. Rotate down and back up, down and back up. This is a very slow and exaggerated French grip. This is what it looks like with sticks. I often hear that American grip is somewhere between German and French grip. However, with these being 2 very different motions, I personally consider American grip to be a very careful use of both. Now I say careful because there's a big danger zone when you actually go between these 2. This is a motion we want to avoid. We can have flippers, or we can rotate, but this motion will wear our wrists down. Practice both of these motions slowly and thoughtfully. This will build up your muscle memory. Play with each grip independently. The goal is for each to feel easy and natural. Once these both become second nature, you'll find yourself moving between the 2 without having to think too much about it. Now that you're familiar with these grips, join me for a guided practice session. You'll find a link at the end of this video. Now, quick disclaimer. If you are feeling pain when playing, please stop and consult with a medical professional. Also, seek one-on-one lessons so that you can get another set of eyes on how you are playing. This is very important when you're first getting started. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this content, or even if you don't, let me know in the comments below and hit that bell for notifications. Till next time.